Let's go to page 333 and number 22. Okay, so the information is the alpha equal to 135 degrees and beta equal to 60 degrees, and you're looking for gamma. Okay, so use the equation cosine square alpha plus cosine square beta plus cosine square gamma equal to 1. So substitute all the information in here. So you got cosine of 135 degrees. Now cosine square means you square the whole thing. Okay. You got cosine of 60 degrees square plus cosine square gamma equal to 1. Then you go and evaluate. So cosine of 135 degrees is right over here. So this is going to be equal to negative square root of 2 over 2. Now 60 degrees, I can draw your picture. So cosine is over here. So it's going to be 1/2. So go and work it out. You're going to, so negative square is positive. Square root 2 square is give you 2. 2 square is 4. And again, you square it, you get 1 over 4. And go ahead and minus this from both sides. So you get cosine square gamma equal to 1 over 4. Take the square root. So cosine gamma equal to plus or minus 1/2. And if you draw your picture, so that's plus 1/2 and negative 1/2 is over here. So gamma equal to, this one is going to give you 60 degrees. This one is going to give you 120 degrees. Okay, let's go to 24. Okay, 24, you have P1 at 1, negative 1, 4. P2 is 3, 1, 5. And you're looking for directional cosine. So first you need to go and get the vector. So P1, P2 is equal to, so this minus I give you 2i. This minus I give you plus 2j. This minus I give you plus k. So this is a direction. Then next what you need to do is you need to get the length so you can get the direction cosine. So P1, P2, the length equal to, use your Pythagorean theorem, so 2 squared is 4, 2 squared is 4, 1 squared is 1. So P1, P2 is equal to 3. So this is give you square root of 9, give you 3. Okay, so cosine of alpha just going to be the direction of each component over its length. So it would be 2 over 3. And cosine beta will equal to 2 over 3. And cosine gamma will be just 1 over 3. Okay, let's go to 26. So do the same thing. So P1 is at 3, 1, negative 6. P2 is 0, 5, 6. So first get your P1, P2. So this minus I give you a negative 3i. 5 minus 1 give you plus 4j. 6 minus negative 6 give you plus 12k. And then you have to find its length. So P1, P2. Use your Pythagorean theorem. So square root of, okay, so negative 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 12 squared is 144. So P1, P2 equal to square root of 169. So P1, P2 equal to 13. Once you find the length, then you can go and just put this over this, and that would be your cosine alpha So negative 3 over 13. Cosine of beta equal to 4 over 13. And cosine of gamma equal to 12 over 13. Okay, let's go to 28. So P1 at 2, negative 3, 4. P2 at 5, negative 6, 7. So P1, P2, so minus give you 3i. This minus I give you minus 3j. This minus I give you plus 3k. And the length, so 3 squared is 9, this is 9, this is 9. So P1, P2 equal to square root of 27. So P1, P2 equal to 3 square root of 3. Okay, so cosine alpha would be just this over there, so it would be 3 over 3 square root of 3. Cosine beta, same thing, is negative 3 over 3 square root of 3. And cosine gamma equal to 3 over 3 square root of 3. Now cosine alpha is the angle between the vector and the x-axis, okay, and so forth and so forth. Okay, so now you can go and simplify. Cosine alpha equal to 1 over square root of 3, and cosine beta equal to negative 1 over square root of 3, and cosine gamma equal to 1 over square root of 3. Okay, number 30. Okay, number 30, you have the directional number at 3, 4, 12. And the other one, you have the direction number at 6, 3, 2. So these are two lines. And you want to find the cosine of the acute angles theta between the two lines. So first you need to get their vectors. So from this direction, you're going to get vector A equal to 3i plus 4j plus 12k. From this direction numbers, you're going to get vector B equal to 6i plus 3j plus 2k. Now to find the angle between them, you have to go back to that equation A dot B equal to AB cosine theta. Okay, so you're looking for cosine theta, so you need to go move this over. So cosine theta, again the angle between the two lines. So it'd be A dot B over A B. Okay, so now it's just a matter of working it out, put the numbers in between them, into them. So cosine theta equal to A dot B. So when you're doing a dot product, you just multiply. So 3 times 6 give you 18. 4 times 3 give you 12. 12 times 2 give you 24. And to find the length for A, you just use a Pythagorean theorem. So 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 12 squared is 144. So that's for A. Now for B, 6 squared is 36. 3 squared is 9. And 2 squared is 4. Okay, so now you just go and work it out. So cosine theta equal to, add this together, you get 54. And this will give you square root of 169. This will give you square root of 49. So cosine theta equal to 54 over 13 and 7. So cosine theta is equal to 54 over 91. Okay, let's go to number 32. So you have x over negative 2 equal to y minus 2 over 1 equal to z minus 3 over 1. Again, the instruction is very simple, very straightforward. You just set x, y, and z in term equal to 0 and find the coordinate of the points where the line cuts through the coordinate planes. Okay, so first, let x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, you just get the equation. So you got y minus 2 over 1 equal to 0 over negative 2. Again, x equal to 0, right? So just this equal to that, this equal to that. So you got z minus 3 over 1 equal to 0 over negative 2. Okay, so you can set x equal to 0. So you have this equal to that, this equal to that. So cross multiplying. So you got y minus 2 equal to 1 times 0 over negative 2 is just 0. Right? Then plus 2. So y equal to 2. And over here, cross multiply, you get z minus 3 equal to 0 plus 3. So you're going to get z equal to 3. So from here, you're going to get 0, 2, 3. Okay, so you're going to get 0, 2, 3. So when x equal to 0, you're going to get this point. Okay, now you're going to let y equal to 0. Okay, so you're going to get x over negative 2 equal to 0 minus 2 over 1. And you got z minus 3 over 1 equal to 0 minus 2 over 1. I can set y equal to 0. I set y equal to 0. So cross multiply, so x equal to 4. Over here cross multiply, so you get z minus 3 equal to negative 2. So plus 3. So you got z equal to 1. Okay, so from here, your second point, you're going to get 4. So what's your x, y, z? What's your order, right? So it's 4, 0, 1. Okay, so now you let z equal to 0. So you're going to get x over negative 2. I can go back to over here. So let z equal to 0. So you're going to get 0 minus 3 over 1. And then you have y minus 2 over 1 equal to 0 minus 3 over 1. Right? I can just let z equal to 0, substitute, and you have this equal to that, equal to that. Okay, cool. So cross multiply, so x equal to 6. Cross multiplying, you got y minus 2 equal to negative 3 plus 2. So you got y equal to negative 1. So when z equal to 0, you're going to get 6, negative 1, 0. Okay, let's go to number 34. Okay, so number 34, same way. You have x minus 2 over 1 equal to y plus 1 over 2 equal to z minus 4 over 3. Okay, so you can let x equal to 0. Okay, so you have y plus 1 over 2 equal to 0 minus 2 over 1. Cross, let us consider the other equation. So you got z minus 4 over 3 equal to 0 minus 2 over 1. You can just let x equal to 0. So you have this equal to that, this equal to that. Okay, so now to solve for y and z, just go and cross multiply. Cross multiply, and then so you got y equal to negative 5. Over here cross multiply, and plus 4. Okay, so over here you're going to get 0, negative 5, negative 2. Okay, so continue, so let y equal to 0. So you got y minus 2 over 1 equal to 0 plus 1 over 2. And you got z minus 4 over 3 equal to 0 plus 1 over 2. Again, So this equal to that, and then set y equal to 0. Now go ahead and solve. So cross multiply, and then plus 2. So x equal to 5 over 2. Over here cross multiply, and plus 4. So you get z equal to 11 over 2. Okay, so from here you're going to get the point at 5 over 2, 0, 11 over 2. Okay, now that's z equal to 0. So you're going to get x minus 2 over 1 equal to 0 minus 4 over 3. And you're going to get y plus 1 over 2 equal to 0 minus 4 over 3. Okay, cross multiply, and plus 2 on each side. So you get x equal to 2 over 3. Cross multiply, and minus 1 on each side. So y equal to negative 11 over 3. So when z equal to 0, you're going to get, again, watch your x, y, z, watch the order. So it'd be 2 over 3, negative 11 over 3, and 0.